Hello everyone, Deb here again. I have another haul for you. This is another Amazon haul. It is 3 coloring books. Yes, and there's more on the way. I Whatever I have next, all should be here by Sunday. So I'll either do a video Sunday or Monday once I get them. It's Sunday by 10 p.m. So depending on when they come. Usually they come around 1:30 or 2 here, but yeah, we'll see. Anyway, this had been on one of the earlier orders. This is the 5M POSCA paint pens. They're 1.8 to 2.5 millimeter, as opposed to this one that I already got. Now this one is a set of 24. This one is a set of 15. And these are good for painting ceramic and stones and all kind of stuff. But this tip is a zero 0.9 to 1.3 millimeter mark. So I have not tried these. Look at this box. You can open this and then it slides down. So you don't have to remove the box. So I'm going to take out the purple one. And my friend Martha said, oh, I think I might have already done this. Anyway, this one is juicy. So look, I'll just do maybe I should just do one line. That's the heavier ones. Oops. And there went the lid. And this is a thinner one. So you can see the difference. So I will say though, it's not like super thin. So it's not really good for like the butterflies I just colored. Except maybe in the bodies. Neither one of the, but for like backgrounds, this I was thinking this would be good for backgrounds, but I'm not really convinced it's thick enough to do a background without leaving streaks. I don't know. We'll have to see. I'm not sure what I'll use all this stuff for yet. I had hoped these could be used on um, coloring book pages, some coloring book pages, the single ones, if you, as long as you put something under it, I guess. But I was watching, I can't remember her name, but I will have it down below because the video I watched, she got a 15% off coupon code, and oops, and that's still wet, so they take a little bit to dry. Let me put something over that. I don't know what. Oh, maybe this paper. Put this paper over it so I don't get it on the bottom of the box. So I got 15% off, and I also got free shipping, so that was nice. These are Arrtx, Arrtx, and this is a 36 color acrylic marker set. Liquid ink, no pumping. Better coverage and fewer pen marks. Waterproof and brush tip. Available on various surfaces. Available on various surfaces. I think it should say can be used on various surfaces. So this is what they look like. A little thank you card in here. At first I couldn't figure out how to use the coupon code on Amazon, but I did finally. So actually I should, I'm not going to do full test, but let's just see. So these are a brush. I think that's from rubbing my finger over that. I guess you can go as thick as you want. They have a nice feel to them. They feel almost like a regular brush marker, like a water brush marker, but it has that nice point. They're not double-ended, which actually that's okay. I'm okay with that. And I guess these little flowers on here, no, I thought maybe they would let you see into the tank, but I guess if your ink is, or your paint is getting, too low, you'll start seeing clear space. And I did not. It just says shake, then enjoy. And they have the color numbers with the little flowers on there. What's that say? Recap after use. Strong coverage. Yeah. If you want me to do a swatch out of these, and I'm pretty sure there's 2 layers in here. Yes. So oops, let me bring it in here. There's all the colors that you get. So pretty many. I love these teal sort of blues. And of course, you know, I like pinks, and I'm surprised why aren't these fitting, because some of them are going the wrong way. Yeah, get in there. I should do a swatch. I'm not usually one to do, oh shoot. Sorry. My email's up still. Not usually one to do swatches, but I might. If you want me to swatch these and the POSCA pens, because they're the 2 types of acrylic markers. I had not had acrylic markers before. So anyway, I thought these were a reasonable price for 36 of them. I do think they're not huge ink wells, if you will, or paint wells. So if you do a lot of backgrounds, you're going to run out. And I don't know that you can buy individual ones of these. I went on the actual website for Arrtx, and it looks like you can buy 5 individual ones, but you have to buy 5. They won't just sell individual ones, but that's not on Amazon. That's on their actual website, and I don't think the coupon code applies for that. So, yeah. So you have to get the set, and then if you run out, I think you can, you know, the ones you think you're going to run out of first, you can get 5 individual ones of whatever colors you want. So yeah, that's it. Oh, I want to check the white. Really into, I didn't shake it. Ugh. I'm not gonna be able to see it. Oh yeah, comes right out. That looks pretty translucent to me, and so did the POSCA. It wasn't as opaque as I thought, but the POSCA does seem like it was a little more opaque than that. So we'll see. We'll see what I use them for and whether I like them or not. Okay. So that's the markers. Now I'll show you the coloring books. I have to get the lid back on this, or because my room is such a mess that if I drop them, they will be all over the place, and there's no all over the place for them to go. Yeah. Okay, so I'm really mostly happy with my books. So I got some things that weren't flowers and butterflies, and mostly. So this is one, I think this was actually presented as kids or adults or teens or whatever, but I like it. I like space and stuff. So it's called Space, coloring book illustrated by Hannah Carlzon. Sort of yellowish papers. It's a Swedish, I think it's Swedish company, right? Yeah, I can't read that, so it must be, yeah, Sweden. First published by Tukan Forlag, 2023, in Sweden. English edition, copyright 2023, Gibbs Smith Publisher, USA. But it was printed in Guangdong, China in March 2023 by R.R. Donnelly, Asia Printing Solutions. I am being pawed at. What, honey? You gonna play with my wire? Boop, boop. Mommy, come down soon. Okay, so I'm not going to do a real detailed look, but these are easier things. There's stars and telescope, planets. Isn't that cool? A cat and a person and a little girl, I think. Another cat. So it's all about the cats in space too. Sun and the moon. These critters. It's sort of a mandala thing, but it's a star. And I don't know. I guess her mind is in her head is in the stars. This could be cool for Halloween. I'm not sure exactly what that's in there. Outer space, Martians, I don't know. Yeah, we come in peace. They're cute. Mushroom creatures. And the little, I don't know if it's a boy or a girl, but whatever. The child. So I thought this would be fun. I'll just quickly go through. Another cat. Yay! Right, Callie? Yay! Okay, so anyway, there's the world in the heart. Yeah, pretty cool. I like it. So then the next one I got, I saw a couple people have this and I just felt like I had to have it. Very popular illustrator among true colorists, Johanna Basford. Small Victories, a coloring book of little wins and miniature masterpieces. And it's nice because if you don't feel like coloring a whole big page, you don't have to. And then there's a guide to exploring small victories. Penguin Books. It was printed in China. Copyright 2023 by Johanna Basford Ltd. I might be saying that wrong. I'm sorry if I am. Yeah, and she's got an introduction, and then there's just little things like a page of mushrooms and critters and moths and vehicles and a butterfly with flowers on it. Little houses like a mushroom house and other little buildings. So you could just do one and then stop and then do it again another day. And so over 6 days, 15 minutes, or in my case, probably 45, you might have your little picture done. Well, 45 because I have to pick the colors and then make sure I like them, you know, whatever. We even have some dinosaurs in here. Some fish with flowers. Just a bunch of little flowers. Aren't they cute? This is nice paper. It's heavy paper. The only thing I don't like, it's not single-sided. So I will have to use probably colored pencil. I need to, I actually ordered one of the orders I have coming. Actually, I don't know when that's coming either. It didn't ship yet. It is from Hobby Lobby. And I ordered like 5 or 6 individual colored pencils just to try them and see. I can't remember what the brand was, but they're supposed to be fine artist colored pencils and they sell them for like $1 something each, which I thought was ridiculous. But anyway, yeah, I ordered some just to test them because this set doesn't have any grays. So I ordered some grays and then some like ocean blue kind of stuff. And that's it so far. Insects. Anyway, you get the idea. It's all little things, and the real little miniature house is like on a bonsai. That's cool. And then just some florals and jars and cupcakes, ducks. I just thought it was really cool, and I do like her illustrations. Now, some of her bigger books that I've seen people have are probably, oh, and she's got them listed back here. Some of them are too complicated for me to color. So I'm going to hold off and just start with Small Victories, and I think I'll love this one. And then I have one more book, and that is this Geo Gems, A Coloring Adventure. So, and it's by Melissa Earl. So on the jewelry side, I'm a rock hound. I love gemstones. And so geodes and things are right up my alley. I don't know if I can color them, but then I discovered that this book is a little different because it has a couple test pages. Well, that looks pretty normal, right? And that could be, except this looks like a spooky face in here to me. And then we have a dragon and another spooky-ish face and like fangs, probably icicles, but they look like fangs. So there's different things, and here's like a castle made out of geodes and crystals and things. And there's little things in the windows. Now, they could be crystals. They could be, this looks like a little fairy guy or something in here. Yeah, who knows? An elf. Another dragon. You know, you get the idea. So there's like stuff in the hidden areas and things that don't look like normal geodes. Like, for example, there looks like eyes peeking out to me. So then I was thinking, well, maybe this will be good for Halloween. And some of them are like grayscale realistic and others look like drawings. Um, yeah. So anyway, I got this to try it. It's like a cross between real geodes and mystical, magical, spooky. Yeah, it's kind of not what I was expecting. I don't think I could see the pages when I bought this. And this one might have also been for kids and adults. So anyway, that's what I have for today. These three books, which are different than the other books that I got because I didn't have anything space. And this is just little pictures that are really adorable. And then Geo Gems and spooky stuff. So I hope you enjoyed that, and let me know if you want me to swatch out the POSCA and the Arrtx acrylic markers, and I will do that for you. Okay? Probably not till sometime middle or late next week. Okay. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye for now. Hugs, love, and peace.